Assalamu-Alaikum, hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we are taking you on a food journey to a beautiful Pakistani village where we will explore some of the most mouth-watering delicacies. Pakistan is known for its diverse and flavorful food, and the traditional village food is even more special. We are going to try some of the local dishes, meet the amazing people, and learn about their food culture. Introduction to the village. As we enter the village, we can see lush green fields and colorful houses. The fresh air and beautiful surroundings make us feel so alive. The village is located in the heart of Punjab, and it's famous for its agriculture and hospitality. The villagers are excited to welcome us, and we can't wait to see what they have to offer. Traditional breakfast. Our first stop is a local home where we will have a traditional breakfast. We are greeted with a warm smile and a cup of tea. The host prepares parathats, flaky bread, and omelets for us. The parathats are crispy, flaky, and buttery, and the omelets are made with fresh eggs and local spices. It's a perfect start to the day. Exploring the local market. After breakfast, we head to the local market to see what's available. The market is bustling with activity, and we can see all kinds of fresh produce and spices. We try some of the famous street food like samosas, pakoras, and chana chaat, chickpea snack. The flavors are explosive, and we can feel the spices tingling on our tongues. Lunch with the villagers. For lunch, we are invited to a village house where the locals have prepared a feast for us. We are amazed by the hospitality of the villagers. The lunch is served on a big mat on the floor, and everyone sits around it. We are served with a variety of dishes like biryani, chicken karahi, dal makhani, lentils, and raita, yogurt dip. The food is cooked on a wood-fired stove, and the aroma is heavenly. We eat with our hands, and the flavors are so intense that we can't help but ask for seconds. Dessert time. After lunch, we have a sweet tooth and head to a local sweet shop. We try some of the famous sweets like gulab jamun, milk-based dessert, ras malat, milk dumplings, and jalebi, syrup-soaked pretzel. The sweets are so delicious that we end up buying some to take home. As we leave the village, we can't help but feel grateful for the experience. The food, the people, and the culture have left an everlasting impression on us. We hope you enjoyed this journey with us and that it has inspired you.